return, it's Valentine's Day, and we have one of the great Valentiners of all time, Jill Bork. If you're married, if you have a girlfriend, if you have a boyfriend, Jill, you are about to help couples fall in love even deeper.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Harmony Police Department. At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the killer named Harry Warden has been on the loose. Moments ago, a bloody heart was found inside of a Valentine box. So if you find any Valentine boxes, do not open them. The Harmony Police are trying their best to catch Harry Warden. Stay tuned for more updates about this situation.